the 3 best anti-aging fruits you need to eat daily. Hey everyone, welcome to your daily boost of health and energy. Today, we're diving into something juicy, delicious, and incredibly powerful for your health. But first, I have a question for you. Do you want to look and feel younger, more vibrant, and full of unstoppable energy? If you just nodded yes, then you're in the right place. We all know fruits are good for us, but did you know that some fruits hold the secret to slowing down aging naturally? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm thrilled to reveal the 3 ultimate anti-aging fruits that can help you stay youthful, energetic, and glowing from the inside out. These aren't just any fruits, they are nature's fountain of youth, packed with age-defying antioxidants, skin-rejuvenating vitamins, and powerful minerals that fight the signs of aging at a cellular level. Can you guess what they might be? Think about it as we dive in. 1. Raisins, the tiny but mighty age defender. Our first anti-aging superstar is raisins. You might be thinking, seriously, those tiny dried grapes? But don't underestimate them. Raisins are one of the most underrated anti-aging powerhouses out there. These little gems are loaded with antioxidants that fight wrinkles, fiber that keeps digestion smooth, and minerals that help keep your bones strong. But here's something even more fascinating. Raisins can boost your memory. Studies show that regular consumption of raisins can slow down cognitive decline and keep your brain sharp as you age. The secret? Their high levels of polyphenols and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind aging and memory loss. How to use them? For the best results, eat 3-4 tablespoons of raisins daily. Want to supercharge their benefits? Soak them in water overnight. This makes the nutrients more absorbable and even more powerful for your body. 2. Lemon, the ultimate detox and glow enhancer. Next up, we have lemon, a true anti-aging elixir. If you're over 30, 40, or 50, lemon should be your new best friend. Why? Because lemons are packed with vitamin C, a skin-saving antioxidant that fights wrinkles, brightens your complexion, and boosts collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm and youthful, and as we age, we naturally lose it. But by adding lemon to your diet, you're giving your skin a major anti-aging boost. And it doesn't stop there. Lemons are also powerful for 1. Lowering blood pressure, keeping your heart healthy as you age. 2. Boosting your immune system, helping you fight infections better. 3. Aiding digestion, improving gut health and nutrient absorption. How to use it? Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It detoxifies your body, hydrates your skin, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. 3. Papaya, the skin smoothing, gut healing wonder. Last but definitely not least, we have papaya, a fruit so powerful, it's practically an anti-aging miracle. Papaya is a natural digestive aid, an immunity booster, and a skin rejuvenator all in one. It's packed with papain, an enzyme that breaks down food efficiently, easing digestion and preventing bloating, which is key for staying youthful and energized. But the real magic? Papaya is loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin A, which fight wrinkles, improve vision, and strengthen your immune system. In fact, studies suggest that papaya may even reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss as we age. How to use it? Eat 2 to 3 slices of fresh papaya daily or blend it into a smoothie with some lemon juice for an extra anti-aging boost. The secret to staying young is in your hands. These 3 fruits, raisins, lemon, and papaya, aren't just tasty, they're your natural weapons against aging. They work from the inside out to keep your skin glowing, your mind sharp, and your energy levels high. But here's the catch, it's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling vibrant, confident, and full of life at any age. So, what are you waiting for? Start adding these anti-aging fruits to your daily routine and watch the transformation happen. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best wellness content. Did you find this helpful? Hit the like button, drop a comment below, and let us know, what's your favorite anti-aging fruit? Remember, a younger, healthier you is just a fruit away. Stay tuned for more, and take care until next time.